Sharing a ride, a simple guide to a common English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, share a ride. So, buckle up as we dive into this journey of English phrases. Share a ride simply means to use a form of transportation with one or more people. It's a way of traveling where the passengers split the cost or take turns driving. This phrase is often used in the context of carpooling, where colleagues or friends travel together to a similar destination. Sharing a ride is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's a sustainable and economical choice. By sharing a ride, you can save money on fuel and parking, reduce traffic congestion, and minimize environmental impact. It's a socially responsible and wallet-friendly option. Now, let's put this phrase into action. You can say, I share a ride with my colleagues to work. Or, shall we share a ride to the concert tonight? It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various situations where joint travel is involved. And that's a wrap on Share a Ride. We hope this video helps you understand how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, sharing a ride can be a great topic for small talk in English, too. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.